got one lah. No need to talk about Rosma. Rose Chan. Who got here Rose Chan before? See? Rose Chan, all you fellas all fail history. Parameswara, you know, Rose Chan, you don't know. Rose Chan was the #1 stripper in KL last time. I'm not kidding you, not ask my father. And Rose Chan has a book. Rose Chan has a book and pictures of Rose Chan growing up. And I saw the book lah, bro. When she was 70 years old, you could see the Kway Teow auntie. Hey, no. Kway Teow only uncle, auntie helping the uncle. Mau Kway Teow That auntie, she looked exactly like auntie. Short hair, boobs sagging, all, everything. And when Rose Chan was in her prime, when I'm talking, she used to pack the stage, bro. Fuck lah, bro. Taste was bad at the time. Big, wrong you, sagging, all. They liked it lah. I don't know why. I just want to tell you all, no need Rosma, Rose Chan. Go home now, today. You've got phone, now take out the phone and Google Rose Chan. You will find out she's the #1 stripper in KL before you were born. My father and his cousin brother one day, my grandfather gave the cousin brother 50 bucks. Say you first time came from Penang, go and have a good time. No, the Myvi uncle's younger brother. See, whatever I say, you'll disagree with me. So, they went to the club. Then eventful day, they went to the club. And the 3 Sing guys drinking ice kosong, looking at Rose Chan. The day my father told that to me, I was like, oh my god, now I know where my stripper genes came from. My stripper attractions came from. Okay, Rose Chan, all go and Google Rose Chan, okay?